Elon Musk and Bill Gates are two of the most famous people who made their fortunes in technology. They both want to help people who don't have access to technology or live in difficult conditions. They also share an interest in global issues, but they don't always get along. In fact, they've had some disagreements in the past. I'm the Market Monkey, and in today's video, we're going to delve into the feud between Elon Musk and Bill Gates. The start of the beef between the two billionaires is an interesting one. It seems that the two at first collided because of an event in the stock market, as it was revealed in a tweet where the user Mars catalog attached the screenshot of an alleged conversation between the two tycoons. Apparently, Gates approached Musk to discuss philanthropy on climate change, but Musk asked him if he had a $500 million short position on Tesla. Gates replied he has not closed it out, and so Musk told him to get lost. It's unclear if this conversation really happened, but when Elon Musk was directly asked about it, he said that while he didn't leak it out personally, it could have been obtained through friends of friends. As always, when it comes to the Tesla CEO, it's hard to understand when he's being serious or just joking around. But whatever the case, it's pretty telling of the relationship between these two businessmen. They both have a lot of money, and apparently they're both trying to use it for the greater good, but it seems that they just can't get along. Other rumors credit the origin of the Musk versus Gates feud earlier in the past, more specifically when Bill made some statements where he seemed dismissive of electric trucks, like Tesla Semi, a thesis that's supported by the 2021 Elon Musk's appearance on Joe Rogan's podcast, where he claimed that he had heard that Bill Gates did not trust Tesla and was betting against it on the stock market. Some Elon supporters at the time were convinced that Gates was just jealous that he wasn't the richest man in the world anymore. Going back to the present day, in April 2022, there was a controversial tweet by Elon Musk that took the internet by storm. The SpaceX founder posted a picture of Bill Gates next to an emoji of a pregnant man, with the caption, "In case you need to kill a boner." This tweet was widely criticized, and many people felt that it was inappropriate and offensive. Some saw the irony in it, since Elon Musk isn't exactly a skinny man himself. In a recent interview with the Wall Street Journal, Bill Gates seemed not to be bothered by the provocation, stating that there's no need for Elon to be nice to him. Gates also responded about the Tesla shorting situation, saying that his position is simply an investment and that he remains bullish on electric cars. Then Gates was asked about his opinion about Musk buying Twitter, and here's his reply. "You know, I guess it's possible Twitter could be worse, but it also could be better, so I have a wait-and-see attitude." A fairly neutral reply, but when the interviewer asked for some specific advice about the misinformation issue, Bill said that Musk could make Twitter worse in that regard. Gates acknowledged the great track record of Musk when it comes to his other enterprises like Tesla, SpaceX, and the Boring Company, but he also stressed that this is a very different venture, and that it's not clear at this stage what the definition of free speech might be from Elon's perspective. Mr. Gates seemed particularly concerned about the spread of the conspiracy theories about himself, questioning if under the new management, Twitter would prevent narratives like Bill Gates is tracking people through vaccines to become viral. His closing words in the interview were the following: "I'm putting billions of dollars into climate change innovation. I applaud Tesla's role in helping with climate change. You know, I have nothing but positive things to say about Elon. If he makes Twitter better, I'll speak out about that, but I wouldn't assume that's what's gonna happen." Only time will tell if these two men will ever be able to patch things up, or if their feud will continue to grow. I'm the Market Monkey, and if you found this video useful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing and turning the notifications on. This video does not constitute as financial nor trading advice, and to be frank, you'd be crazy to follow the directions of some random gorilla on the internet.